In this video, we're going to see comparison between CasaOS versus ZimaOS versus Proxmox OS versus OpenMediaVault. Firstly, we start with CasaOS, which is an open source lightweight home server OS, focuses on easy Docker app management and self-hosting with a simple GUI. It's best for beginners or casual users wanting to quick learning, app deployment, and Raspberry Pi on low-end hardware. It is user-friendly, it has minimal setup, and of course it's lightweight, but it's not designed for heavy storage or enterprise-level features. Now, moving on to ZimaOS, it's a modern home server OS combining Docker, Kubernetes, and VM support. It focuses on scalable self-hosting with container orchestration and VM management. It's best for advanced users or small businesses needing multi-node setups or complex app deployments. It is powerful, supports container clusters and virtualization, and of course it's flexible, but it's more complex setup and higher learning curve. Now, for Proxmox VE, it's an enterprise-grade open-source virtualization platform, focuses on KVM virtualization and LXC containers with advanced clustering and high availability. It's best for users needing robust VM and container management, enterprise features, and scalable clusters. It has professional features, excellent performance, rich web GUI, backups, snapshots, and clustering. But it's less focused on casual home app deployment. It requires more resources and knowledge. And finally, OpenMediaVault. It's an open-source NAS operating system based on Debian Linux. It focuses on network-attached storage with AZ plug-based extensions. It's best for users wanting a dedicated NAS solution with media sharing, backups, and simple Docker. It has an easy file sharing like SMB, NFS, and FTP, RAID management, plugin system, moderate learning curve, but it has limited virtualization support, less polished Docker management compared to the others. So choose CasaOS if you want simple Docker-based self-hosting with minimal hassle, ZimaOS if you want a modern, flexible OS with container orchestration and VM support, Proxmox if you need enterprise-level virtualization and container management, and OpenMediaVault if you focus on reliable NAS with some Docker apps. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.